Hello everyone, I am live from Escondido. I rode from San Diego all the way here to meet my friend, so we are ready to go for some riding, mountain riding. So actually he has a problem with his tire. He discovered that he has a nail, I think a small nail in his tire, so we'll figure out if his tire is leaking or not, but we hope for the best. The weather is nice. Today I was working, and after I finish working I am here going for a ride. My friend, he has the KTM, I don't know, it's okay. Ooh. Shouldn't do that, but there we go. This is California dream. Yeah, I think you remember, guys, if you watch my previous videos, like when I was commuting in New York City, I was fed up. I said, oh, I miss California, and that was my dream, to come and live in California. And may all your dreams come true, because I make my dreams come true. The landscape here is fantastic. It's really out of this world, and that's the only thing that I like about California. So many things. The weather, I like it too here. I was fed up with New York City. I said to myself, the city, the noise, crowdiness, too many people, stress. Said goodbye to it, and I am here. I am here, I am here. And this is my friend. We are on 78. Highway 78. I think, if I'm not mistaken, we are just past Ramona, or Romana probably. Okay. Oh, the camels over there. Look at this. Beautiful scenery in California, baby. Okay, enough. So many things to do in California. So many roads. I will never get bored. Trust me. I'm not gonna wake up someday and say, that's it, I wanna move out. No. I guess this is my last stop. California, baby. Yeah. To more camping and more riding. That's the goal. this side. A lot of curves here. I think we are descending the mountain. We are going slow. My front tire is done, so after this ride I have to order some tires. Probably we'll go with Chico 705. Yeah, they are good. They can last for an eternity. That's like what people are saying. These tires that I have, which are knobbies, they are a little bit noisy. No, they are too noisy to be honest. Look at this paradise. I feel I am riding in paradise. That's what I feel. Paradise on earth. My friend, he knows the road here, so I'm in good hands. Showing me like the beauty of California. This is it's gonna be now 2 weeks that I've been here. So far, so great. Probably next time I wanna go to the desert. Either I will go to Borrego Springs or Joshua Mojave Desert. This is my friend Dries. There we go. Speak about your bike. Look.
Well, these monopoles out of here.
We have like the KTM Adventure R. So this is a nice bike. Really nice. So what do you want to say about your bike? Hold on one second.
Oh. It's called KTM, which means can't take to Mexico. By BMW.
Look at this.